wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So we are from group 1. We'll explain the title is polynomial house. Yes, you can look this like house, right? Yeah. So we have a member, yeah. Ahmad, Fauzan, Lutfi, Aldi, Riyad, Rizky, Riza, Nizar, and Aldo.
So polynomial. Let's see what do we have in our polynomial. This is not polynomial, but this is kind of polynomial. So what is polynomial? First, I will talk about monomial. What's that? Monomial is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression comprises single, one, or product of real number. So it can be single or product of a real number, and one or more variable. So polynomial is a number and variable, but not just that. There is also power. But what's power? What kind of power? This is whole number power. Remember, whole number power. So polynomial is number, variable, and power. That's polynomial. And polynomial usually is monomial, or I will say it term because monomial is kind of polynomial. Polynomial is operation of monomial. So it's like arrangement of monomial. One monomial plus one monomial minus one monomial is kind of polynomial.
Okay, next I will explain about term. What is term? Yeah, term is like a part of an expression of the polynomial. For example, we have an expression here, like 8x power 7 minus 6x plus 13 is like, we have a three term here. For the first is 8x power 7, and the second term is minus 6x, and the third term is 13. So we can conclude that the term is like a part of the expression of the polynomial. And then I will explain about constant form. Constant form is like a kind of term. For example, yeah, but the term doesn't have variable. That's constant term. For example, in this expression we have constant term is 13. Then I will explain a little about leading coefficient. Leading coefficient is like coefficient which has highest power in that expression. Which leading coefficient like coefficient which has variable with highest power on that expression. For example, in here we have two coefficient with variable. For the first coefficient is x with power x power 7, and the second coefficient is minus 6 with power x. In this expression we can determine that the leading coefficient is x because of what? Because the variable with highest power is x with x power negative power of 7. And then I will explain again about standard form. Standard form is like we must arrange the expression with descending order. What is descending order? What is descending order? What descending order is like we must arrange the term from the highest power to the lowest power until the standard form. Yeah, that's all from me. Next, Riyad.
Now I will explain about degree. Before that, for the every variable there is a power. The power is more than equal 0, and the power is the whole number. Now degree. For the example, the expression is monomial 5x squared y. The degree is 3 because x is have two power and y have one power. This is the name of cubic polynomial. The next example is 2xy. The degree is 2 because x and y have only one power. The name is quadratic polynomial. The next example is binomial because the expression is 5x squared y plus 2xy. For this we take the highest degree for the monomial. The highest degree in this expression is 5x squared y. So the degree is have 3 degree. The name is cubic polynomial. For the next is 5x x power 0, y power 0 plus w power 0. Because the power is 0, so it can can be 1. So there is no degree.
Next, Whiskey. So, what's more in our house actually? Let's open the next window. We have constant polynomial, zero polynomial, and polynomial function. So the first, I'm gonna explain about constant polynomial. Constant polynomial is a polynomial in which all of the coefficient except the constant term is zero. So, for example, we have here ax power 7 plus bx power 2 plus 13, with a and b is 0 and the constant is not 0. If the constant is also 0, then we have a special polynomial that is zero polynomial. Is a polynomial in which the coefficient is 0. So, for example, here we have ax power 7 plus bx power 2 plus 0, with a and b is 0. And the next is the polynomial function. That is every function defined from real number to real number of the form. In general, we use capital letters to denote the polynomial function. And next will be explained by Aldi.
So guys, do you think that's enough? Those information is enough? Absolutely no. There is hidden information here. So I will give you an idea, which is like terms. It's not about I like you, no. Like terms, like here means similar terms. So the idea is, remember again, what is term? This is term, and this is also term. Or it is monomial. So like term is monomial, which has similar variable and power. So the only thing is the only different thing is just about coefficient. If I change this 8 to the 7, this is like terms or similar terms. So the second hidden information is equal polynomial. So there is a polynomial which is equal with other polynomial. What is that? It is just simple, guys. This is polynomial. When you arrange this one to here, so it becomes minus 7x plus 13 plus 8x to power to the 7. This is equal polynomial. So this is like just different arrangement, and they have the same number, the same variable, and also the same power, because this is equal. So for the last information is follow that.
Okay guys, with me I will give you the example. The first example. Find m and f if in parentheses 2m minus 4 x squared plus in parentheses 5 minus n x plus 13 is a constant polynomial. And then how to solve if you must input this data. 2m minus 4 equal 0. Why 0? Because the constant polynomial. And then you found the m is equal to. And then same with this. You input the data and then equal 0, and then you find the n is 5. So the answer is m is 2 and n is 5. And then that's all for me.
And that's all for us. We hope you understand about polynomial, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.